Hello everyone. I'm here to show you how to transform a simple LED light bulb into a powerful TV antenna. Stick around to see how I turn this ordinary bulb into an extraordinary antenna. First, I connect them to this holder. They light up perfectly fine. This one is bright, but that thing is not bright. Nothing special, just your typical bulbs. Now, let's turn one of these ordinary light bulbs into something extraordinary. I'm carefully unscrewing the plastic cover to reveal the internal LED components. Next, I'll use a utility knife and pliers to remove all the electronic parts, including the circuit board and wires, from inside the bulb's base. Next, using pliers, I'm carefully extracting the remaining internal components from the metal screw base. The goal is to empty out the bulb, leaving only the threaded metal and ceramic base. I have a small magnet ring and some thin copper wire. I'm going to meticulously wind the copper wire around this ring, creating a coil. I'll secure the wire by bending it with pliers and then trimming any excess length. This will form the base of our new component. I'll make sure the winding is tight and even, as this coil will be crucial for receiving signals. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the coil ready, I'm now drilling a small hole into the center of the light bulb's base. This hole needs to be just large enough to thread the copper wire through. After that, I'll carefully place the coil inside the bulb base and secure it firmly with hot glue. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Moving back to the light bulb base, I'm using a drill to create a small hole at the very bottom. This hole needs to be just large enough for the antenna wire to pass through. Now, I'll drill a hole in the center of the bulb's plastic cover and enlarge it with a conical drill bit. Finally, I'm inserting a telescopic antenna through this hole and into the coil, ensuring it's snugly fitted, and then I'm adding more hot glue for stability. I'm carefully applying hot glue to secure the antenna to the base, making sure it's firmly in place. With the antenna now fixed, I'll reattach the light bulb dome to the base, completing the light bulb antenna assembly. We now have a fully functional light bulb antenna. Next, I'm taking a length of electrical cable and stripping off the outer insulation at one end to expose the individual wires. I'll connect these wires to the metal screw base of the bulb and to the central contact point. It's important to make sure these connections are secure, so I'm tightly wrapping them and then using electrical tape to insulate them. To ensure safety and a clean finish, I'm wrapping electrical tape securely around the connection points, covering all exposed wires. This provides insulation and strengthens the connection. Then I'll slide a black plastic holder onto the base of the bulb, threading the cable neatly through it and securing it. Now for the final connection. I'm stripping the end of the coaxial cable to prepare it. I'll attach an F connector to this end. This connector will allow me to easily plug the antenna directly into the TV. Once the F connector is securely crimped onto the coaxial cable, I'm ready to connect it to our newly fashioned light bulb antenna. I'll screw it onto the antenna lead that extends from the bulb, ensuring a tight connection. I'm plugging our homemade light bulb antenna directly into the TV. Let's see it in action. As I cycle through the channels, you can see clear, crisp reception. This simple light bulb transformed is now pulling in free broadcast channels perfectly. This is an incredibly simple and effective way to get free TV. If you enjoyed learning this clever hack, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing DIY tips. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you in the next video.